Morning, everybody. I hope you guys are doing well and having a lot of fun. So I decided that I would actually do this video by reading. So I'm going to move it up a little bit so you don't have all that stuff down there. That I would do this video by reading this chapter to you rather than having you either go to Unique or trying to read it on your own. I'll read this chapter to you because that's typical what we do is I read it first and then you read the other versions. So I'm going to read this to you and I'm going to have the words highlighted and go along with me. So this is Mark wants a video game system. Okay. All right, so if we look at the picture here, we can see Mark and he's thinking of a video game system. And I know a lot of you like video game systems. So you can pause the video here to list out all your favorite video games or video game systems and what you might use to track video games. All right. Mark is at his friend John's house. They are playing on John's new video game system. Mark loves to play video games. I wish I had one of those systems, says Mark. Mark thinks about how he can get his own video game system. All right, so what does Mark want? Okay, I want you guys to think about it. What does Mark want here? And I'm not going to answer that question because we just read about it. Mark wants something that I'm sure a lot of you would like to have better ones of or more of. So, yeah. Okay. All right. Mark gets home from John's house. He talks to his mother. I really want a video game system, says Mark. Is there any way that I can get one? I know a great way you can get a video game system, says Mark's mother. You can get a job. A job can help you pay for a video game system. So how can Mark get a video game system? What does his mom tell him he needs to get? And let's see if Mark actually does get one. People need to earn money to buy things, says Mark's mother. Having a job is a great way to earn money. Money helps you buy things you want or need. Money from a job can help you buy the video game system. So how can having a job help Mark get what he wants? So how can this job that getting a job help him get what he wants? And think about that as you get older. How can having a job help you get what you want? I'm sorry, you probably hear background noise. All right. Mark thinks about what kind of job he can get. He remembers that John works at the grocery store. Maybe I can get a job at the grocery store like John, says Mark. Mark's mother thinks this is a great idea. So where does Mark want to work? A place that Miss Barb would not want to be working right now, but is very grateful for those workers who keep working and keep serving us so that we can get our groceries and food, even though they're putting themselves at risk of getting sick right now. Mark and his mother go to the grocery store. Mark walks to the customer service counter. Mark asks the store manager if they are hiring. The grocery store is looking for grocery baggers, says the store manager. Mark wonders what a grocery bagger does. So what is the job opening at the grocery store? Let's think about the different jobs at a grocery store. So you have people who work at customer service, you have the cashiers, you have the people who work in the deli department, people who work in the with the fruits and vegetables, people who work in the bakery, people who work in dairy. There's people who work in just general groceries, there's managers, and then there's grocery baggers. And I imagine I'm missing a few employees. And I guess it depends on the grocery store and how big it is. They probably have a lot more. But Those are, grocery stockers, the people who restock the shelves. The store manager explains the job. A grocery bagger helps to put groceries in bags for customers. They can also carry the groceries to the customer's car. Then they help put the bags into the car. A grocery bagger needs to be helpful and kind. Mark thinks this could be a good job for him. So, what are the job duties of a grocery bagger? So, duties means what they do for their job, right? So, what does he have to be able to do for this job? So, relook at this part or rewind the video and re listen to it to see what Mark would have to do as a grocery bagger. Mark picks a job application. A job application is a form people fill out to get a job. Mark will fill out the job application at home. Mark is excited. He may be able to get a job. He is ready to start earning money. He can't wait until he can buy a video game system. So, what is a job application? This is something that as you get a little bit older, you start to learn more about because you have to fill out job applications to be able to apply for a job. So, a job application is a paper where you put your personal information, any previous work experience, and the names of people you know that they can contact to find out if you're a good worker. So that is a job application. All right. And I think that is it for chapter 1. So I want you to listen to this. I will be putting up a few assignments that go along with this, and I will be posting the actual chapters so you can look over, and you can look over this level, the medium level, or the lower level once I load that up. And I hope you guys have fun, and I hope you guys are all staying safe. Okay, bye.